let's take 6, right?
Right.
This is the 0th position.
Right.
So I is equal to 0, min index is equal to 0.
Yeah, and then we will
Min
compare.
index is equal to 0, right? Now j is equal to 1. So we'll start from here. 5 is array of j. 5 is actually smaller than 6. If we swap over here, we'll swap 6 and 5. Then 5 will be here. Then we'll swap 5 and 3. Then we'll swap 5 and 1. Then we'll swap 3 and 1. And then it will continue. So there will be too much swapping over here.
Right.
We don't want to do that. We just want to get the minimum index. Swapping we'll do at the end. Yes? Yeah. Why do we need to do swapping every time?
Right.
So otherwise it will be equivalent to bubble sort, right?
Equivalent to bubble sort. Yeah, there is just too many sorts. I don't know if anybody would ask this question. I certainly would not ask, but as people are telling they ask these questions, I might have to start.
So they ask merge or some, like not the
Yeah,
same.
we'll do the merge sort.
Because they asked me write any short in the
Any?
So obviously
Any
you
sort.
are not.
Write a bubble sort.
Man.
Write a bubble sort.
I said which one you want. You decide. Okay.
Bubble sort.
I will go for merge short.
Bubble sort. Okay.
Can you please explain this?
Yusuf said that you
Actually,
will go for the manual sort.
clear here.
Skill. Yeah.
So when the minimum index is not equal, you're swapping.
Yeah.
So if, for example, in that case, you have 5, 3, 1, 8, 7, 2, 4, right?
Yes.
So when our min index is initially taking as 5,
Min index initially is
0,
is 0. J is equal to 1.
1.
And we continue from
Yes.
1 till the end.
Correct.
We continue in this loop, and we found out that 1 is the minimum index.
No, right? So now 3 becomes minimum index. Oh,
No.
because you're continuing
Continue till
to
the end of
entire
this.
j.
Yeah. So it's a n square, order of n square. So we take 6, and then we go from here till here and find the minimum index.
Okay, and
1.
you're swapping it.
And then you're swapping it. So now 6 is done, 1 comes here, and 6 is here.
And then you start with 5.
Then you start with 5 and make 5 as a minimum index, and then go from 3 to 4. So you go from 3 to 4, and then you find out that 2 is the one, so you swap 2 and 5. So this becomes 1, and then 2,
Right.
this one becomes 5. Okay?
Oh, the final swap is out of the loop here.
Right.
Yes,
Under the if condition.
under the if condition.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll send the code.
Okay.
Don't worry, yeah.
Okay.
So I'll send the code, that's not. Okay. Have I been sending code? No.
No.
I had sent code for one link.
Yeah, sorry, I might interrupt you multiple times now.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
I was checking that
you
Ustream also, but I didn't get any.
No, Ustream, I'm not doing it. It's not working too well. Like Ustream,
I first search YouTube, Ashish, interview John.
I have one question.
yes.
If suppose 1 is minimum,
Minimum
index is 1,
Okay.
so we need not to change the minimum index of.
Yeah, so that's why I said. That's why I had the condition. I had the condition.
Then there is no swap, and at the end you are telling that if minimum index is not equal to I, you are swapping it.
Yes. If minimum index, if I is the minimum index, let's say 1, 2, 3, this was the string. Let's say if this was the string. Right, I started with 1. I made minimum index is equal to 0. Right? Started comparing, 1 is the smallest one. So I check 1 is equal to I was equal to 0 also. 1 and these two are the same. I don't need to swap because it's already there. Then I move to 2. Yeah. And 2 also, it's a similar condition, so I will become equal to 1. Minimum index will be equal to 1. And then we'll check from 3 till 4 which one is the smallest. 2 is the smallest. So it will not swap in this condition also. So yeah.
You can say j equal to I plus 1, right? Why do you have to?
Because you have to start from 1. Why do you need to compare
The first line.
yourself to you?
Yeah, so that's why I said j equal to I
Yeah,
plus 1.
I plus 1. Okay.
When you will be doing exercise, then you will be comparing.
Okay, so let's do a merge sort. Okay, so same example we're going to think of. Okay, same 6531. 65318724. Okay. So let's say this is an array and we have to do a merge sort. So what you do is you take this array, continue dividing it till you have just one element. So what you do is divide this into half, one half and second half. So this becomes 6531 and 8, 7, 2 and 4. When you divide this becomes
2 again.
6, 5 and 3, 1, 8, 7, 2 and 4. Okay.
Then again.
Then you divide it again, so it becomes 6, 5, 3, 1, 8, yeah, like that. I will draw this up here. 6, 5, 3, 1, what is the other one? 8, 7, 2, 4. 8, 7, 2, and 4. Okay. So now what we need to do is you need to start merging these together. So you will merge these together, and so for merging what you do is you put a pointer to the start of both of them, right? And then you compare. Let's just merge these two. After that we'll do the second one. So when you merge this two, 5 and 6, 5 should come over here and 6 should come over here. 3 and 1, 1 will come here, 3 will come here. 8 and 7, 7, 8, 2 and 4 will remain like that. Okay. Next what we will do is we will merge these two together.
Wow.
So when we merge these two, what we do is we put a pointer at 5, put a pointer at 1. And we will go till 5 actually reaches to the end, or this reaches to the end, right? Then we will compare both these values, 1 and 5. Which one is smaller?
1.
1. So we'll put 1 over here and increase the pointer to 3, right? And then 3 and 5. Which one is smaller? 3. So we'll put 3 over here. This pointer goes out, then the remaining of this I will copy over here, 5 and 6. Okay. Similar over here, 7 and 2. Out of these two, 2. Increase this pointer to 4. 4 and 7, 4. This goes out of scope. Then 7 and 8 I'll copy over here. Now I'll put a pointer here and here. 2 and 1, which one is smaller? 1. We'll put 1 here, the pointer to 3. 3 and 2, which one is smaller? 2. I'll put 2, increase the pointer to 4. And then
Again coming down.
First we increase that pointer.
yes.
Based on the.
Yeah, based on the. So we started from this 1 and 2, right? So 1 and 2, which one is smaller? 1. So 1 is smaller, so 1 should come first. So we'll add 1 over here, and the pointer was here. We already added 1, so we'll increase the pointer to 3. Right? And now 3 and 2, which one is smaller? 2. So we will put 2 over here and increase this pointer to 4. And then 3 and 4, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 5 and 7, 5, 6 and 7, 6, and then remaining is 7 and 8. I copy this. So we actually understood this pointer that we are continuing to move inside, right? Yes? Yeah. Okay. So in this what we are doing is we are basically continuing to break till we reach like single element, and then we do a merge. So we'll write two functions. One will actually break that, and the second will actually, one we'll call recursively, it will continue to break, and then we'll call merge after that. So, and merge will do the heavy lifting part of it. Okay. Void merge sort integer ARR, comma integer low, comma integer high. Okay. We will do a lot of low and high today. It's legal to be high in Washington State, so.
I mean, the code is a lot in this algorithm.
Yeah.
So how much time in 45-minute interview? You take 25-30 minutes, I think, in writing.
If somebody asks me this,
For one shot?
yeah.
Yes.
I guess 10 minutes if you know.
10 minutes you need to write?
I guess within 10 minutes you will have to write, right? Or maybe less than that.
15-20 minutes.
You're not going to interview me, right? I'm so glad.
Oh, I will, I can take.
they are 10 minutes लिखने बोलोगे.
I mean, definitely if you know the code, right?
Yeah.
If you have learned it, then it will not
There are
take more than 10
there are
minutes.
one function just to
जैसे
divide
आशीष बोलते
but that's
हैं, you
it.
have to also put up some
For
action there.
So his question
If
is writing the
you
code.
keep on writing in 10 minutes, then the person will directly say,
You first.
नहीं तो obvious बात है merge shot तो मतलब
Obviously,
पता ही
we
होगा.
will assume कि आपको आता है.
Yeah,
एक और बात बता दूं, बंदा जो इंटरव्यू लेता है तुरंत पहचान जाता है कि भैया इसमें
रटा हुआ है या-
रुक जाओ ये रुक जाओ अच्छा इसमें चेंज करो उसको पूछो ना अपने क्वेश्चन उसको
Yeah.
पता है क्या अभी तो
Okay, so
अब इंटरव्यू नहीं आता तो हम क्या करें
Okay. Integer min
वहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है
is equal to low plus high divided by 2, and then we'll call recursively merge sort for the first half and then the
mid and high
yes. So we'll call
low and mid.
ARR comma
low and mid
mid.
and then
Merge sort ARR comma
mid
high plus 1.
please merge first yes low and high and then we will merge it
Low plus 1. क्यों?
divide हो गया ना यार हाफ साइड low यानी 0
Mid, low, mid.
low middle
Okay. So at least this part of the code you understand, right? This part you understand that there's a big array, you'll find the mid part, and then you call the merge sort for the first part and then for the second part. And then first part, second part, and then this is calling recursively till both of them are actually single elements, and then you will call the merge function. Now we will write the merge function. So the merge function was that, yes.
Can you please explain on kind of class? So you're finding the middle value, so you have 10 value array. The mid value is say 5, so you're calling this array for 0 through 5.
6, 5, 3, 1, what is that?
Just take 4 values for now.
Okay, 6, 5, 3, 1, 8, 7, 2, 4, 8, 7, 2, 4. Right, so this was the array. So your low was 0 and high was
9.
7.
Or
So yeah, 8 elements for 7.
7.
7. So mid plus high, 0 plus 7 by 2, which is equal to 3. Integer, we do an integer divide. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So you call merge sort from
split
on split, and you call merge sort from 0 till 3, and then 4 till 7.
yeah mid plus
And then this function will get called again.
And then it will split to
So
0
it will
to 1.
split this into 2. So this will be there, and then there will be just this one. And at that point, the low is less than high, so the merge function will get
So
called.
basically the first merge sort call will split the first half,
First half.
0 to 3,
And then 4
6
to
to
7 will
will
be
be-
splitted by the second merge sort, where
Will
you are
be-
doing mid plus 1, right?
Yes, mid plus 1.
That's
This
why
is how it is.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, you got it?
So this merge
The
thing,
merge,
right?
huh?
Should it be out of the if condition or no if condition?
It should be inside the merge condition, because like recursively when it calls, so first it will call all of this and then this function will get called.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, it will be over here. Because if it is lower than high, then this function will, I don't know, we'll see. But
The first one will be called until unless this will be one
One
element. Then right will be called, and
Yes.
then stack will start calling merge
calling merge function.
one by one.
One by one, yes. Okay, so now all of you understand the breaking part. Now we'll do the merging part. And Manoj will come over here and he'll do the,
Yeah.
without looking at the notes. It's no, you want it?
Yeah, I can try, but I don't know.
You want it? I'll do it.
Okay.
I'll ask you for different.
Okay.
Okay. I actually, I was looking at the code online and I didn't like this code. So, like, yeah.
I
so-
shared you, I guess, earlier.
Yeah, there was last time also, like I think I did this one where I actually don't like one step in this, and I will optimize it, but I have not done it yet. I was doing it, but there was less time and I had to do other questions too, so I said like, okay, let's just do this and we'll. So I'm doing one step which I don't like, and we'll optimize it later, or you will do that.
You got the technique?